आप सबका इस्तकबाल है इंट्रैक्स न्यूज़ पर। जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, बॉलीवुड में नेपोटिज्म नाम पर एक्टर एक्ट्रेस को गिराया जाता है। उसमें से कुछ चंद एक्टर एक्ट्रेस अपना नाम रोशन करते हैं और जीत हासिल करते हैं और टिके रहते हैं कंपटीशन में, जैसे शाहरुख खान, कंगना रनौत, रणवीर सिंह, राजकुमार राव और कई सारे लोग। ये लोग का कोई फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड नहीं होता है, ये लोग ओनली टैलेंट से आगे बढ़ते हैं। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, टॉप इंजीनियर स्टूडेंट, जो फिल्मी क्रेज में इंजीनियर के फाइनल एग्जाम्स को छोड़कर थिएटर्स में हिस्सा ले लिए और आगे बढ़ते गए। बहुत सारे फिल्म्स लॉन्च किए, जैसे MS धोनी, केदारनाथ और अब दिल बेचारा जल्द ही रिलीज होगी। अब तक सारे यूट्यूब रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ चुकी है ट्रेलर्स के। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को नेपोटिज्म बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ और वो सुसाइड कर लिए। पर कहते हैं ना, जो खुद खुशी करते हैं उनकी रूह अटकी होती है। इस मामले में मुंबई पुलिस की तहकीकात जारी है। सुशांत सिंह के फैंस ने एक पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटी के लिए स्टीव हफ नामी शख्स से गुजारिश की कि एक सेशन सुशांत की आत्मा के साथ करे। यूट्यूब पर पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटी करने वाले स्टीव हफ ने दावा किया है कि वो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आत्मा से बात करते हैं। अब आप बताएं, क्या वाकई में क्या आत्मा किसी से बात कर सकती है? स्टीव हफ की बात साइंटिफिकली प्रूव नहीं हो सकती है, पर स्टीव हफ बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रखते हैं। 10 साल से आत्माओं से बात करते हैं इन पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज में और कहते हैं दिस इज 100% रियल। स्टीव हफ की वीडियोस यूट्यूब पर सुशांत की आत्मा से बात करते हुए इंग्लिश में हैं। एक डिवाइस की मदद से बहुत धूम मचा रही है, तकरीबन मिलियन व्यूज आए हैं। स्टीव हफ ने सुशांत से सवाल किया, अपनी जान क्यों लिए? सुशांत की आत्मा कहती है बदलाव। दोबारा स्टीव पूछते हैं कि आपकी मौत से पहले क्या हुआ था, तो सुशांत की आत्मा कहती है कि एक शख्स से बड़ा झगड़ा। तीसरी बार स्टीव पूछते हैं कि क्या किसी ने आपकी हत्या की? सुशांत से जवाब आता है कि वो कील खरीद कर लाए थे। साथ ही सुशांत ने दावा किया कि वो जहां है वो खुश है और उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें पंख मिले हैं एंजल की तरह। स्टीव दावा करते हैं कि सुशांत की आत्मा के साथ कोई और लड़की की आत्मा मौजूद थी। स्टीव ने सवाल किया कि झगड़ा क्यों हुआ? सुशांत से जवाब आता है कि अब सब खत्म हो गया। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के फैंस ने स्टीव हफ को दरख्वास्त की कि वो दोबारा सेशन करे, सुशांत की मौत का राज मालूम हो सके। ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के लिए इंट्रैक्स न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करें यूट्यूब पर और जुड़े रहें इंट्रैक्स न्यूज़ के साथ।
100% real. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've created and invented devices to do this effectively, more clearly, to allow spirit to have a voice, to allow spirit to be more direct and more clear. This is what I do. This is my life. So any of you who stumbled upon this wondering if it's real, yes, it is real. I believe in love. I always say love is the key connection to you, but I have a connection to spirits. And since you're on that side now, I do have a connection with you. That connection is love. We're all human. I'm connected to that side. What would you like to say? What would you like to say with that voice you have? You're in the light, Huff? Is that what you said? Are you in the light? Are you in the light? Are you with God? Where are you on the other side? Where are you? Some of your fans, a lot of your fans wanted me to do this for you. What do you want to say to them? What would you want to say to them? You can say it now. All right. Thank you very much. Much love to you. I'll pray for you. Thank you very much, Sushant. Thank you for coming through. Hey, it's the next day. I recorded that what you just saw was recorded last night. It's now the next morning. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Sushant, are you still with me? Are you still here? A lot of people wanted to know about your death. A lot of people feel there's something different that happened with your death. Sushant, why did you take your own life? Did you take your own life? Okay. I'm not sure what you said there, but when I review this and listen back, I'll hear it. A lot of people don't think that you took your own life. Can you tell us why you did that? Why did you take your own life? Change? There's two spirits here. I see Sushant here. He's actually standing to my right in front of this box, but there's another gentleman sitting on the floor, older. Who is that gentleman? Am I seeing that correctly? He's sitting on the floor, and he looks just peaceful. And you're over there. Oh, I feel that energy. Okay, Sushant, you're here. I can feel you. I can sense you. I can see you. All that love that was sent your way, all these people who are mourning your death, celebrating your achievements, of course, but saddened by the events, the tragic events. These are really passionate fans you have, Sushant, so that tells me you projected love while on this earth, and that is amazing. That's how it's supposed to be, but I'm connecting with you spiritually, with our energy. Use that energy, use my energy. We can work together to accomplish this. If your friend who's with you wants to help, if he is a guide of yours, come on through. I know you're dead, but you can still talk. See, if people watching this understand our soul never dies, it can change a lot of lives, and it has for many years. When we understand as the living that our soul never dies, we may choose to live life differently. Well, my name is Steve Huff. I come as a friend. I come in peace. I come with love to you. Let's bring that love energy, this energy into this room. I can feel it. I have to have my coffee in the morning. All right, Sushant. I feel your energy here in this room, and I felt that energy last night, and now it's familiar to me. You're in that light. You saw it last night. Sushant Singh Rajput. Much love to you, my friend. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. It is ending. That was a woman's voice saying, it is ending. It seems like both times he had a guide with him. And they both nights, or yet last night and today, confirmed when I ended the session. Thank you very much, Sushant. Thank you for coming through. Much love to you, my friend. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. It is ending. That was a woman's voice saying, it is ending. Well, thank you all. I really enjoyed these sessions. They were flat out remarkable. Some of my best. When it comes to celebrity sessions, this is one up there with the best as far as connection, the energy that I felt in the room. I'm still feeling it now. It's over here to the left. All right. Well, thank you, Sushant. Okay. Thank you so much. And there we go. Astral Doorway session for Sushant Singh Rajput. Much love to you all.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.